We got sound here? Is there sound running? Can you hear my voice? Just checking, hang on. All right, wedgies. We rolling here? I'm rolling on body cam footage. Welcome back to another episode of Detail Police. I'm Officer Overspray, currently responding to a call, CG 170169. It was an anonymous tip over here at Santa Margarita Ranch, a report of multiple filthy vehicles. We have a whole lineup of filthy vehicles. Unfortunately, we're out in the middle of nowhere here. So I didn't really have backup. I don't have backup, but I brought my own little backup. It's our new quick load carrying caddy. And this guy basically can fit a bunch of different Chemical Guys products in here at once so we can tackle the dirtiest of details. Let's take a look. We'll find out what's going on here. Oh, sir. Oh, sir. Spilling coffee on the interior of your vehicle. This is a violation. Complete violation. For that, we're gonna have to grab some total interior. Simple spray and wipe. Clean this stuff right up. All right? Coffee stains, dust, dirt, grime, debris. All of it. You name it, we'll take care of it. Total interior. Let's move on to the next. Violation. Don't film my butt. Come over this way. Come on, we gotta go this way. What's up, fellas? How we doing today?
All right.
Doing some burnouts, I heard.
Yes,
some racing going on today.
Yeah.
Got some filth and grime on here. We got a report of a dirty vehicle.
Yep.
I'm the Detail Police, Officer Overspray.
Officer Overspray.
I think we need to take care of this. Otherwise, I got to give you guys a ticket for. Yeah, we gotta clean up the filth off the streets here.
There it is, man.
So this thing, super simple, synthetic quick detailer. It's all about the angles with the dangles.
Don't be bending over like that, officer.
Hey, watch these goods, not these goods, all right? Give it a quick spray, Spray the towel, check it for tags. You know what? Look at this. Simple spray, wrist roll, and a wipe. Look at all that stuff. Coming right off the edge here. You want to make sure you flip it to a cleaner side here. Wiping off the rest of that. Roll the wrist so you don't scratch. Flip to a clean side. And then just buff off the extra. That sealant is going to go right in there. Slick polymer, shine it up. Make it look nice and cozy. No violations here today, fellas.
Oh, yeah.
Just trying to clean up the streets here. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. Oh, look at this. Violation. Gotta give this guy a ticket. Look at this. You see all this stuff over here? Look at this. Filth all over the place. This car, you might come over here, you might try to clean this with something, I don't know, like a degreaser. That's not a good idea, right? For something that's matte, you want to keep it matte. Use meticulous matte detail spray and sealant. Okay, grab a towel. Look at this. You gotta go through your towels. You might see something. Violation, okay? Rip those tags right off. You don't want any scratches or swirls on your car, okay? Set this baby to spray. Give it a quick once over. Hit the towel a little bit. Nice, easy wipe across the edge here. Boom, look at that. It didn't even look that dirty, but look at how much dirt and filth is coming off of that. Take the other side, the clean side, you just buff it off nice. And look at that. Beautiful matte shine and sheen.
Oh, violation.
Oh, yeah. Violation. Oh my gosh. You see this? You can't be riding around with trim like this on your TRD. No. I brought backup. For this guy, little nonsense right here. Odorless, colorless, super cleaner. Clean edge of the microfiber towel. Give this guy a little, first you gotta set it to stun and spray. Just give it a little quick thing there. Oh, look at that. Cleans right up. Right up.
Oh, shit.
Bam. All right. Get that guy going nice. Get all that dirt and grime right off of that baby. Clean side of the microfiber towel. Buff off the excess. So I'm just gonna leave you the warning here. Make sure you clean that up. No citation today. Off you go. You got it.
Make sure I will not be riding around.
Keep this filth off the streets. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is this? What do we got here? Got a noise violation.
Stock Type R.
Stock Type R. Something tells me you guys are full of it.
It's the stockest Type R you've ever seen.
You know what?
Look at that, I got my baby.
Is this street legal? It looks street legal.
It's super street legal.
You know what's illegal about this car? The filth and grime that's all over the side panel here. So let me tell you, I could give you a citation, a warning, or we can grab some Swift Wipe waterless car wash. Give it a quick spray on the side panel here. And then take a clean microfiber towel and just roll your wrist on the side here. Look at that filth that's just rolling right off. It looked clean.
It was
on the outside. What is this? Look at that, shiny and new. You know what? I can see my reflection in here now, and that's exactly what I like to look at myself. Here, you guys take this bottle.
Look it down, brother.
You got
No
it.
citation, get on the bottle.
No citation, you get the bottle.
Thank you.
Beautiful blue. And you know, I like the blue. We've hit a multitude of violations. We hit a Lamborghini, a stock Type R, yeah, okay. And a little TRD action. Cleaned up some trim. We cleaned up some paint. We cleaned up some matte finishes. You can do anything, and guess what? I didn't even have to go get backup multiple times. I had it right here in my quick load caddy. So pick this thing up at chemicalguys.com or your local detail garage, okay? And keep the filth off the streets. It's that simple. I don't want to see you. I don't want to get called to Santa Margarita Ranch. Are you still following me? Go pick these things up. God, man.
Okay, I got it.